ma la ka tiang chai nyor ka dung din media ka changa jandang ra ude kel ka pai waro karon kin dang ra ude jandang ra ude diech agan mak bangun gog be nong lar ti lanung yen siang ka dung din media ka ti lat ka ro di re jino Sudan kana win mon ndo dien an wala ka changa jandang ra ude kel ka pai waro dung din media be nong lar dang jok ka ti chara lat ke ko ni dang jok ti ka jino Sudan laran yam balao jong ne na te lo kurmi tok pan ke iglik Kirga ta chalad social media and one to ya report o te kurmi tok kam rapid support post kan South Sudan armed post. So meji tok pan was very simple thing. A rapid support post a small contingent alagu motor na ja deploy ko yol fil South Sudan. Me kwala te ka SPDF ja deploy kel kan rapid support post ke iglik. Che odoro wo yen the vicinity of the oil, immediately we are pan up. That was what happened yesterday. The quarrel, lakin Chakan Kena the Kena Yin, she SPDF, che bucket, che area, che lifted, I mean, che lift, che ban pan kapanakwai. So that was what happened. Kako, the question is why? What happened? Michi problem nung micha South Sudan armed force micha order to leave the oil field adamatrie. Taro is in the corner bag nung as a topic number 1 to bagura Jordan. Number 2 a one and Dr. Gaj alaga banor of Jonglei State. Kajega pa jega the President Salva Kiir. Bad melu nyok kapading payam Kanyarol County. Right, a lot Salva Kiir about the security, the humanitarian situation, in Jonglei State, as a report. Generating one, the William Chebal. Many people were wondered. Nating one guy, Kero Echalat, Lakin go along to nating one again, Chajo Wedana Yalat, Charling again, Kachari alike, or Konduan Kadung media. We keep telling people of Jonglei State about what Dr. Guy, a master of political deception. Ningadial Konaladagandial Kuluku deceived the community of Jonglei State. So we talk about many things. Kakwira Guy. I reported you come President Salva Kiir and anyone Jagaja, they come back. Katada Lanaya Lat Bakula Bengo report Chelaridi. Mechigi can President Salva Kiir. No matter the Mandodian will take some pack about the involvement of South Sudan government, current situation, Kagambele. A communal tension in Alarora Kagambele, Camber, Kananuare. According to Yeshua, Dungin media, the take article, me to publish it. But some personalities, Nati Chaka mentioned, to involve. To qua annual terrorists qua support again the Nuer. Take example of the Upper State Governor, the dollar road, can Greater Pibor administrative area, chief administrator, Nugole Boyo Gole. And there are plus some emerging evidence. Think on what we published last time. That are evident in what is true. Take involvements. South Sudan government again the Nuer to contact Ethiopia. Finally, Kakore, Mishima episode me next. Bagaraj about Nuer historical connection. The western region of Ethiopia, not only Gambele town. Connection Nuer connect Gambele. Naga free story, naga ta da nature corner one. So we have enough evidence, enough historical record that we will talk about. Ka our next episode. Kabenabo lugine mi aloko gwa the chituogo. Iyo. So torola arne ko na jiramana la lingne malagur ne ke dungdin media me. Mi jo me mi shejak linge bi share ka bi like. Ko bane one ken Belkulisho. One of the things in Tugland, Korea, Quenwin, number 1, wotel kormi ni ke iglich pan attention method chimana ya kwen ko wona ne chidam 3 che South Sudan Armed Force and to the deploy kwa thieke oil field che order begin and che gien yesterday reason nan kune lar kune ne there is a problem we go back to the foreign policy of our country la South Sudan and ne lar hotel kon clear foreign policy plus rapid support post mente ka South Sudan border not because we want it look on a no corner because telecon long telecon forced to deter, to counter rapid support force. We accept every demand in the name of Wodwalcon, fear. This is what is happening now because Sudan go dam 3 take a longer winning to chab long around don't do this and don't do that. So take on a lot and take a tripartite agreement and all these things. China and India, we talk about them. Okay, kind, there is nothing. Co-tripartite agreement include the 3. They invited Thin, Kaburan, Kasel Pakir. And that never happened. So tell me your agreement which are so gambling one guess Sudan come Port Sudan Kenyala, Chepil. And finally, Chergata Danajana the deputy commander of Dam 3 ni Abdurrahman Daglo, Major Benko, you'll feel bad me a cabaneke. Chajala Karwade with only his post, oil field, Janet Tor Gayanaganen. There was nobody mutually as PLM here South Sudan Armed Force Mijal Kelgay. It was a clear sign to oil field, Tetada Dam 3 up to now. Major Quantum that triggered them yesterday, Kobana, you reader, Lawyer Dorun, Mina de Tiege. It's because of time we were to go for Sudan. Now we would go for Sudan, as you said, a gambling. To get down and come Sudan and Ara, which you go, what is it? We know don't interest South Sudan, they just come Sudan and Ara with gambling. That cannot happen. We talk about it, talk about quid and Nichang. Ko Damasre will never accept Ko Yolba flow to Port Sudan by any means. And we go get a core. And that is a question of was Sudan now take a position, go back Damasre, be put back. South Sudan want to make shareable ko bedam 3 be put back. Because what is talking now, oil field, I mean a battlefield democracy. Committee power a battlefield be intimidation be a lot. So we know Bentur Kaume, Chadam 3 Changari, finally. And then just South Sudan you go back. There is no more negotiation about oil, but what you can would as we talk about it, Chaga complete. So no, is what happened yesterday. There is no core to come rapid support post can South Sudan people depend post. It was just a misunderstanding. Care attention go you go South Sudan again, and they accept it. Chirmalana go tell a long chicken tamaka panaqua. Oil field was pure Kadam 3. Meraude is about Dr. Regaj. Dr. Regaj, the President Salva Kiir, Melu in Joko Padding. Report the he was talking about the security and the humanitarian situation in Jonglei State, a continent among one. So, I let Salva Kiir you and the worst counties, the continent among one. Tinje humanitarian dien, kijek security dien, abor kana akobo. So you see this? In a situation of one and bor, in the seat of the state government, Kamara Kabor, Ajanabor, it take a state of humanitarian catastrophic. It go and a look. In terms of security, in terms of humanitarian. Ajana Akobo. And we know he's from Akobo. Plus his recent visit to Akobo. But if you come to the reality, including Nate Konala Waregaji, one tongue, if you compare Bor, Kanapangap, Kayut, Kenyarol, Kawuror. I will la bezo. Go on a minute. Go on with it. In terms of security, in terms of humanitarian. So go on board by far. Bor is stable. Bor is seat of the state government. Bor take businesses. T 24/7. As some bor mit experience ka bor municipal council. Bor Lenya can continue the allocation take jongle state stability in terms of economic kame cham grade. Jike. Compared to Doro Corner Jidak, to the Jikin take a displacement side. So bor take connection ke Jube. Me direct connection ka asphalt road. Me about 2.5 hours. Bishop bor, Bishop Jube. With all your goods, how can you compare it with Neural? How can you compare it with Ayud? You compare it with Panjak. If you are really meaning it, where you are giving accurate report to the president. You cannot. So Akobu the same. Akobu take some opportunity. You take a stability. For about 12 years, bad major Kurmeni. There are some isolated cases of security incidents, internally connected LTG and Gumurale. These are normal things compared to Dormiyamenta Pangak. Pangak take a displacement stage. Because of the water, because of the bombardment, because of the incursion, Kamalishad, but Agolek Kelke Kume, Chana displaced. Pangak now almost inhabitant. Now, how can you compare it with Akub? Do you compare with Akub? So Muluru no, there is no true in it. And in the entire land, Urumo, tell a talk, let a not, let an interest there, which is a political trick, political deception. It's all that you learn. Mongo along Kora in one tea when we tell people loco and one did 10. So banding different. So you right people the chako take encounter about support of Gwandit and anti-Gwandit. Tila Gaka. One example. Take a young man one of the TB ran Banafa. He was talking a lot about supporting the guy and all SPLM, what. But recently, making the guy I'm working self-care. He regret, tell it often. And I do when I call not any you the guy here, I'm talk a lot, one guy. So we never know about it. We support him. But now, we call out near Rajamo, Mana to write like Canadian, Pegaboromo is true. He is very good. We in India, Malala is young, Guade. So, don't know, be a down and Buguje. And we talk about wood and take some pack, which is number 3, South Sudan manager involved. But we know the dimensions of our security border of South Sudan and Ethiopia. There are many things that we can talk about. Kumudan Jube is working day and night, go there and harmed in everything. We go have a plan. So arming of Noor, Ngaje Wogambele. It's not just the home, Kanwar, a sanctuary. A sanctuary, Malad Ganyan Kendi Alpin, more than South Sudan today, they are going to school, the guard get out of his camera, they are stable. Knowing this, Uraja buy and trap by all means, again from Juba, with the support Canada, Con Yemen and Conbar. Another Amagaga. Go through money, Chabari our support. Through weapon, Chamachaga Nanka Pushale. From Baybur through Gole. Chamach Chaganang Kamakal. They are all supplies to Anuak. Kudi Dong de ka for and de nuore de displaced de more displacement that at thin de nuore de ga juj de nuore tel gwa nyura. We can never happen. They don't know this can be even backbiting. They go backbite after some time. Go nuore mi ji in Ethiopia now. So we didn't in South Sudan. And if they come back to South Sudan in bulk, the number to Ethiopia is still chagwa kana ina kon way. So even then the corner la de one ne majel wala dan e pai kap me ya kam tat me ya kam abushuk me la accessible la kwa kam ke Uganda men kwa army embargo bridge ke je Uganda that we see the report always ka human rights watch Jacob re ku pai ter ka bar ka several location bar ya nak je ya mai wala dan mai mi jidit pa kam ke mono gor wildlife, June. So those are the people look on the areas of Beibur, of Ushale. Can I equip to? Kadekian, Makian, manpower. Manamurlini, Amurlini Jagre Kuru. So in Michigan is a development that media cornering about issues like this, we cannot ignore. Before we investigate. Because there is no good that every person today can sing about Nuer. Media about post. Otherwise, engineer the system that we fight with. So ko no kakan doctor kon de ne ben nyal ka kwa tangama and summary na re lu hotel ko mi to ko iglik but cha de South Sudan cha tuk damasre and the reason kan ko na ya kwen mera ude shwala o doctor ga report pa kam president Salva Kiir ne one cha ka wanted we not cheji cha ka ta na cha kwen man the audience shwala o ne there are some facts to ku emerge ka kuma South Sudan je involved ka communal tension ka Gambele through ne ko na ya kwen as we talk about them so ro ka ne chol wona ne kan yin changa wala na chairman changa lar ko wona ne ka gwa de be na ba right ke deep historical connection ka nuor in a western Ethiopia region that will be a different episode me ba ko ndong ne lo ko be no ya ko war ko dung din media la tes go cha ko war ken tag me and thank